Uno Comeback Add-on Pack How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Add the 16 comeback cards to your classic Uno game. The new cards are all wilds and can be played on any card with you picking the color that resumes play. The new card effects are Wild Swap Hands. Swap hands with any player. If you now have one card, you need to say Uno. Wild Double Down. Discard one extra card from your hand on top of this one, overriding that card's color with the color of your choice. If the extra card is an action card, resolve its action. Wild Match the Max. Choose a player and they draw cards until their hand contains the same number of cards as the player with the most cards. If they already have the most cards, then they draw nothing. Wild Misery Loves Company. This is the same as Match the Max, but it applies to every other player instead of just one. In the corner of 3 cards are letters. On your turn, if you can spell Uno with those letters, then discard all but one card, remembering to say Uno, putting the 3 wilds on top. All action card effects discarded in this way are ignored. When playing for points, wild cards are each worth 50.